Quincy, are you okay?
Yeah.
Cora, are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Cora, what does Ariel say? Can you sing it, Cora? Sing it again. Sing it again. Sing it and then Sissy give you a piece. Sing Ariel first. Hang on, don't give it to her till she sings. Sing Ariel. Okay, all she wants to say is ah. Yummy!
Yummy. Do you like cereal?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like banana soup?
No.
Do you like the dun 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 dun? Do you like?
Uh-oh. Do you like table cereal?
Yuck!
No, I don't. Do you like table cereal, Cora?
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you like? Do you like banana cereal? No, I don't. Yucky.
Hey, Queenie.